Class 7th, exercise 1.1, question number 2. See this question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay, so Jack scored in 5 rounds. Jack scored in 5 rounds is equal to 25 -5 -10, 15 and 10. Okay, so these are the marks scored by Jack in 5 rounds. Now we have to find out what was his total at the end. To find out the total, we have to add all these numbers with their sign. Total at the end is equal to 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Always remember that we have to take care of the sign also. We can't leave the sign. We don't have to add 5. We have to add -5. So we will take -5. -10 is here. So -10 and here is only 10. That means we can take simply +10. So we have written here 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now one by one we can add the numbers. First of all these two, okay, or open the bracket first. First of all we open the bracket. 25 plus minus minus, okay, when plus is multiplied by minus we get minus. So -5 plus minus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Now 25 minus 5. How much? 20. Minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. This much we have solved and the answer for this we have got 20. So we write 20 here and after that whatever is remaining as it is we note down. Again is equal to 20 minus 10, 10. Okay, 20 minus 10 is 10 plus 15 plus 10 as it is we are writing here down is equal to 10 plus 15, 25 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35. So how many marks did he score? Jack scored total 35 marks. So we will write answer. Jack scored total 35. Okay, Jack scored total 35. Now the next question is, at Srinagar temperature was 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? What happened at Srinagar? The temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Then it dropped. Dropped means went down, कम हो गया. Then it dropped, became less. then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Okay, so what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? First of all, let us find out temperature on Tuesday. Okay, so let's start solving it. All of you might be having the books also, I think so. This is the third question of exercise 1.1. Temperature on Monday. How much was the temperature on Monday? That was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So temperature on Tuesday will be how much? Minus 5 degrees Celsius, and from this it has become 2 less. So 2 less, so we will minus 2 from here. Okay, so we will subtract 2 from here. So 2 degrees Celsius we subtracted from here. Minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus minus plus. Sign will always come of bigger number. The bigger number is 5 and it has the minus sign. So the answer will come minus 7 degrees Celsius. Minus minus will be plus, but the sign will always come of bigger number. So on Tuesday the temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then it is asked on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose by 4 degrees Celsius means increase. Okay. So temperature on Wednesday will be 4 more than of Tuesday. Minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius, because it is more. When it rose, that means it became more. It became more, and when it becomes more, we add it. So we added 4 in minus 7 degrees Celsius. So minus 7 plus 4, minus plus, minus, minus plus, minus. Sign will always come of bigger number, and the bigger number is 7, so the sign will come minus. So minus plus minus, we will do minus. What operation we will do here? Minus. 7 minus 4, that is 3, and the sign will come of bigger number, that is minus. Minus 3. Okay. So the temperature on Tuesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius, but temperature on Wednesday was minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now we have to write down the answer in the end of the solution. Answer. The temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday and minus 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Okay. The next question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200-1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Now here, a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. Sea level means the level of the sea where it is, that is called sea level. Above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. This is the submarine, and from here the distance of the aeroplane is 1200 meters. what is the vertical distance between them? Vertical distance means this distance is called vertical distance. Okay, and this kind of distance is called the horizontal distance. If we want to find out the distance from Devas to Indore, that will be the horizontal distance. Okay, the distance from the submarine to the aeroplane is the vertical distance. Okay, so we have to find out the vertical distance. Okay.